Good morning, everybody. John from Under the Stars RV and Platinum RV here again. Just standing in front of Zinger 259 FL. One of the most unique floor plans that I've ever seen on a smaller, well, mid-sized, non-slide trailer. And I'm going to take another quick look at this thing for you guys. Let's take a look. So you can see right off the hop, it's roughly 25 feet the body, so the whole thing's going to be about 27, 28 feet long. But it's a tandem axle. It is a non-slide unit, a couples unit. One of the first things you notice walking up is the size of this bay window here on the side. It's got lots of sunlight inside. It's a Zinger. This one is a 2025. It's my last one. You walk inside. This is what makes this floor plan very unique, though. It's a mid-kitchen, but it is a front entertainment center. That's not something that we normally see. A front living, which is what that FL stands for on the 259. So you can see here we've got enough room for a huge TV, at least a 50, probably a 60-inch TV there. All kinds of cabinetry. This is a jackknife bed. It's also got storage underneath it, so you can put another person here. But so that's unique. But here's one of the other unique things. In a trailer this size, look at the size of this kitchen. It's a little untraditional. We've got your microwave, we've got your stove, we've got your burners, high arch faucet, deep sink. No standard no standard cubby eating area, but we do have a bar area with 2 bar stools that come with it. And on this side, see we've got our 12-volt fridge, massive pantry for a trailer this, well, for any trailer, but for a trailer this size for sure. We got in the middle, we've got our bathroom with dual doors on it, so you can access it from either side, so you can have some privacy in your bedroom. While someone's using the bathroom, you can also access it from your bedroom. Great big shower wall around it. And in the master bedroom, you can see we've got all kinds of storage underneath the bed. Also, as it lifts up, we have pass-through storage on the outside. Beautiful cabinetry up top. So as we take a look at the trailer now from this side, you see these are pocket doors, both of them. This is the bedrooms one. This is the other side for the bathroom going to the main living area. But as I walk forward, lots of living space. Truly one of the most unique trailers we've ever sold. It's not a super popular unit, but we do sell them every year. It's one of those things, people who love it, and that's just about the only trailer that they buy after that. But anyway, guys, just wanted to show you this. We've got one in stock left. Give us a call. Happy to help out. Look forward to chatting again. Thank you.